guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, on today's video we'll be looking on lovebirds. Specifically we'll be looking on the Lutino lovebird. So guys, over the past few weeks we have been pairing off birds as to our liking. So we have paired off two sets of Lutino lovebirds. So currently we have two pairs of Lutino lovebirds, and this pair has started laying. So as usual, the process starts with them getting their box, shredding their bamboo leaf, and then mating, then laying eggs. Yeah man, them two will start lay egg already. So when you look, you will see that there is one egg in the nesting box. Guys, may I pray to them fertile, may I pray to it's fertile and then continue to lay more eggs, because good girl want proper baby. Yes guys, so before I leave guys, please remember to tell somebody about the channel. But in the meantime, like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. Adios, goodbye.